fawn. Albino. White face. Hi face. Hi face. Hi Blake. You gonna talk to Mama? And then we got, this is called a split pie. Or actually it's, yeah, split pie. She is half fawn. Or she's not split, she's a half fawn. It's pie. This is a fawn. This is a split fawn. Split pie. This is a rare pie. Beep beep. Beeper. She's a white-faced pie. Beeper. You gonna beep for me again? Huh? You gonna beep for me again? Beep. She's 3 months. She's 3 months. Unsplit. Unsplit. Split. You gonna whistle for me? And it's a fawn. Hi, fawn. Hi, little fawn. Hi, little fawn. Hi, baby. That's my snowflake. She's 3 months. This one here is 2.5 months. Base. Base man is 3 months. Huh, Base? You gonna take nappy? Base and Flake take him. Little fawn over there taking a nappy. Take a nap. You gonna take a nap? We're all ready to go, and I have more in the other room.